Hi guys, welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I'm sure you all are doing great. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all face glowing serum. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Guys, I'm also there on Instagram, so I'll put my Instagram account ID in the screen, so do check it out.
Guys, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Then add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. Then add 1 vitamin E capsule. Then guys, mix it well. It's ready. Guys, the consistency should be the same. Guys, store this serum in some container and keep in the refrigerator to keep this serum fresh. I have made this serum for 1 week. You can make according to yourself. Guys, step 1 is wash your face. Then guys, step 2, apply the serum on your face. Guys, apply the serum properly on your face and massage it for around 2 to 3 minutes till the serum gets absorbed by your skin. Guys, it will also help you to get rid of dark circles, so massage it well. You can also use this serum in morning and night. I'm using this from 1 week. Guys, you can see the glow. Guys, आप लोग भी ये serum घर पे बनाइए and try कीजिए and share your result in the comment box. Bye guys, see you in my next video.